In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through Miro, a visual workspace designed for innovation. Our goal is to streamline your experience and help you declutter by managing your projects effectively. So whether you're a new user or someone who's familiar with Miro but looking for some tips, this guide is designed to make things easy. First things first, you'll want to head over to Miro's website. Start by opening your browser and typing in the URL, miro.com. This will take you to their homepage where you can access the visual workspace platform known for its versatility and wide array of tools aimed at boosting creativity and collaboration. You'll see an option to sign in prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Once the Sign In page loads, you'll notice different methods to access your account. For simplicity, let's choose Continue with Email. This will direct you to a new page where you can enter your email address and subsequently your password. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to go through the sign-up process first. But for this guide, we're assuming you're already set up. Enter your credentials and continue. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which houses all your projects in one convenient location. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout. It's important to know where everything is so you can move around Miro effortlessly. The dashboard is like your command center, giving you a snapshot of all your current projects and tasks. Let's say you've accumulated several projects over time, and now it's time to do some housekeeping. You might have some old or unnecessary projects taking up space, and deleting them can help maintain a tidy workspace, which can enhance productivity and efficiency. Move your cursor over the project you wish to remove. As you hover, you'll see three dots appear in the top right corner, often known as the More Options menu. Click on those dots, and you'll see an option to delete. After selecting Delete, a prompt will pop up on your screen. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions and ensure that you're certain about this decision. If you're positive you want to proceed, simply click Delete again in the prompt. This double confirmation step is crucial to avoid losing important work unintentionally. And there you have it, a clean, organized dashboard ready for you to make the most of Miro's powerful capabilities. Tidying up your projects helps maintain focus on what truly matters and frees up space for new creative endeavors. Remember, a little organization can go a long way in enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy creating in Miro.